is Arkady Bakenov. For those of you who don't know me, I like to create routines and then change them to make them look different. For example, today I've created a little cha-cha routine which progresses from bass to more advanced variations. I change elements of timing, direction, accents, and quality of movement to make them look different. Most of these changes are not technical, but are more abstract and used competitively. These will make you more unique as a competitor and will help bring out your own individuality and your own interpretation of musicality and movement. Okay, now we'll start with the bass routine. We'll start with check into ronde chassé. 2, 3, 4, and 1. We'll continue with backward place into twist chassé. And 2, 3, twist chassé. We hold for 2 counts. 2, 3. Now in 4-1 we use body action to get onto the right foot. So we do 4, 1. Now the step goes tap, cross, point. What I want you to do is I want you to create more range with the left free leg. So how are we going to do it? We're going to do it by using rotation of our standing leg. So we're rotating to the right. And now we're rotating to the other side. 2. And point side 3 with high hip. Recover on and finish off forward 1 with back together forward. 4 and 1. And 2, 3, and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. If you guys want to see the other variations of how I do them and the timing, please watch the next video.